Want to land high-paying clients? Optimize your UX writing portfolio. Hey, UX writers, are you struggling to attract high-paying clients despite having the skills? You're in the right place. Your portfolio might be holding you back. Today, I'm going to share step-by-step tips to optimize your UX writing portfolio so it stands out and brings in those premium opportunities you deserve. We'll cover everything from crafting compelling case studies to nailing that all-important introduction. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump right in. Your portfolio is more than just a showcase of your work. It's a marketing tool that tells potential clients or employers a few crucial things. Think of it like this. Your portfolio is your silent salesperson working 24/7 to attract those dream clients. First, it showcases what you've done. Your experiences, your skills, your wins. Second, it subtly reveals what you can do for them. Clients look at your past work and envision how you can solve their specific problems. To land high-paying clients, your portfolio needs to communicate your value quickly and clearly. Okay, let's break down the essential ingredients of a UX writing portfolio that converts. Think of it like a three-course meal that wows your clients. First up, you have the appetizer, a clear introduction. This is where you answer the question, who are you and what's your unique value? Keep it short, engaging, and laser-focused on your ideal client. Next, we move on to the main course, your case studies. This is where you showcase your process and results. Highlight the impact of your work. Quantify your achievements. Use data and metrics to demonstrate the tangible value you brought to the table. Finally, we end with a dessert that leaves them wanting more. A clear and compelling call to action, CTA. Chapter 3. Writing an irresistible introduction. Let's dive deeper into crafting an introduction that hooks potential clients from the get-go. Avoid generic phrases like, I'm a passionate UX writer. Instead, focus on your value proposition. What sets you apart? What problems do you solve better than anyone else? Let me give you an example. Instead of a generic intro, try something like, Hi, I'm Alex, a UX writer who transforms complex workflows into seamless user experiences. Tailor your introduction to your ideal client and watch the magic happen. Chapter 4. Crafting impactful case studies. Now let's move on to the heart of your portfolio, your case studies. Follow this simple yet effective structure for each project. First, clearly outline the problem. What challenge was the client facing? What were their pain points? This sets the context for your brilliance. Second, describe your approach. How did you tackle the problem? Include your UX research methods, testing processes, and how you collaborated with the team. Finally, and this is the most crucial part, showcase the results. Did your microcopy reduce errors? Did onboarding completion rates improve? Did conversions skyrocket? Use data, metrics, and quantifiable results whenever possible. Highlight results that high-paying clients are willing to pay a premium for. And there you have it. Those are my top tips for optimizing your UX writing portfolio to attract high-paying clients. Remember, your portfolio is a work in progress. Continuously update it with your latest and greatest work, and don't be afraid to experiment with different formats and layouts. Now for that bonus tip I promised, get feedback. Share your portfolio with other UX writers, mentors, or even potential clients. Fresh eyes can spot areas for improvement that you might have missed. To learn more, you can tap on the Work With Me button. You can also check out the UX writing courses on www.innovativeuxsolution.com/courses. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more UX writing tips and career advice. Until next time, happy writing.